Well, hello, and welcome back to another adventure of Space Engineers with DocksGaming.
And FsPandaMushroom.
And me, Anders.
The Duck.
Fuck.
Well, we finally come aboard this raiding station. I didn't die many times. I only died a couple of times because there was a turret in here and it kept taking me out before I could poke my head in to take it out.
Both assemblers have been claimed. Hacked.
I've done both cryo tubes. Hopefully, let's test it out.
Okay, here's a large cargo container that I'm going to grind a little bit. Oh, somebody already did.
So if you need oxygen or energy, cryo tubes are doing it.
I'm going to take out the computer here. One display. Okay.
So we're just going through and possessing it.
I'm going to try to repair this. Oh, need some interior plates. Okay, no problem. That's not hard to get. Is that cryo chamber active now for us?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Perfect. It's not giving us oxygen. Oh, there it is. Good, good, good. Perfect.
Yeah, it is. It takes.
I am full, unfortunately. I have to go back and empty because I got to get some metal grids to finish off this. Do you have any metal grids on you? We can weld this. Where is it? Over here. We can weld this baby up.
No, I've got bulletproof glass.
I'll get some from the ship.
Construction components.
Once I find the ship.
You can bring it in closer now, can't you?
It's close enough. Look at that. It's only like a hop, skip, and jump away.
Okay. These.
I need to empty anyhow. It's all this blasted scrap metal. If we had a refinery, we could make an iron with it, but we don't.
Is there not a refinery on here? No?
No, it's just assemblers. We could probably build one.
Let's fill the holes in, Anders, in the floor.
I'm trying.
There might be the odd one that we have to replace.
Alright, I need interior plate. I'm making 100 of them. Just, yeah.
Right, so air vents we still need to do. Airtight hangar doors we still need to do. Buttons. Connector badge. Don't know what that is. Door. Gravity generators. Couple of gyroscopes. There's supposed to be 2 large containers. Oxygen tank. Passenger seat. Small reactors. Thrusters. Everything in the red we need to do. Gravity might go for a minute.
See what they got in the cargo container, boys. Access denied still? I just ground the damn thing down. Oh, look at that. There's 500 200 millimeter missile containers, 9,400 and some ammo containers, explosives 500. Yeah.
Any steel plates?
No, sir.
If you come the other side, there's another cargo. If you've got some more.
I do. Better side of this one?
Yep. If you see where I am, I've just
oh yeah, I've got
done
it.
the gravity. There's a gyro I'm just about to do.
Oh, now we're talking. What do you need, sir? Because everything you need's in this cargo container.
Oh, steel plates. Oh, look at that. That is a lovely hole. A beautiful hole.
Yes, I'm putting all my goodies in here. We're gonna try to preserve this thing. We're gonna do a merge block type of thing sometime. And we're gonna merge this with our ship. I'm thinking.
Yeah.
So we have two large cargo containers that we can fill up. There, I took that off of there. That should not have interfered with our cryo chamber.
This should be the other gyro over here.
We don't need no gyros.
Yeah, well, I'll just grind them down, re-weld them. It ain't going to take much, is it?
No. Alright, I'm going to work on this door. To take the door right out.
Okay. There should be a battery somewhere.
So, I'm confused.
There's still an oxygen tank. There's a couple of reactors somewhere. You seen any reactors?
I can hear them.
We don't own them at the moment.
I'm full.
There's some green stuff coming from around here, so that's a reactor.
Yeah, you don't want none of that. That's not healthy for you, sir.
Computers.
Alright, back to the blast doors. See anything floating around, guys? Like,
Pick it up, scrap. Yeah.
yeah, because there's lots of it. And it's going to really slow the server down, I think.
They say access denied. That one should be online now.
Okay.
Yo.
Well, let me pick up this scrap metal, so I'm going to just delete it from the server.
Here's the battery.
We're good.
So we own the two reactors now. I'll just do the battery.
So, if our...
House.
Where is the antenna? Has it been taken care of?
I did a beacon. I don't know whether I touched the antenna.
Because if the antenna's still up, and you... Yeah, I think we're okay. I don't see an antenna, actually. We must have blown the smithereens out of it.
Does it say there's one on there?
I haven't looked. Or look, I popped my head in the connector here.
Okay, so there's still an air vent somewhere and a couple of connectors. A connector badge? What's a connector badge?
No idea.
There's a couple of small thrusters outside.
Yeah, but they're incomplete, so means they're damaged. You don't have to own the thrusters.
That's a air vent. A big hole.
Big hole, eh?
Thruster components.
Oh, we lost 3 fighter ships, but we managed to do it.
Yeah, I lost a couple of lives.
Oh, the captain survived. That's all that matters, right?
Okay. Must be that the other people were taking more risks when it happened us.
I was first man in. I just had a better ship, I'm sorry. Better piloting skill. I don't know. But I can tell you one thing, though. A lot of times when you go in, if you go in with a bunch of people, it's always a fail. One at a time is the best way to go in. Generally. Okay, we don't want to do none of these tubes. See what we can do with the assembler here.
Right.
There's no refinery on this ship neither. That sucks.
No. Oh, that needs a lot.
What's that?
Thruster on the bottom. That needs quite a bit of stuff.
So we have the battery, we have the reactors.
So we need construction components, large tubes.
What are you doing? Fixing the floor, Anders?
Yeah. Thought we should have something to work on.
Oh yeah.
Okay. You know, we could probably seal this thing up. If you know what I mean. repair some of the holes.
Yeah, we need to put in some glass. None.
No, we don't need windows. Piss on the windows.
Where
What do you want windows for?
No, just because there is some windows that is gone.
Anders likes his windows.
Not really. But how hard can it be?
There you go. That's your mission. Choose to accept it if you wish. Large steel tubes, any? Cannot see any large steel tubes.
Steel plate. There should be some in one of these containers. I know there is.
There's a gun on the floor here.
There's girders. No large steel tubes. So I can't fix the thrusters on the bottom.
Ah, we don't need them.
Okay.
Metal grid, of course.
Yes, metal grid. So what else don't we own now then? Or do we own all of it now?
I have to pop it. I gotta get some energy and what have you. How is the ice on this ship?
Don't know.
I shall take a look.
I just have a look. There's an oxygen tank that...
There's no ice. No ice. No ice.
Access denied on an oxygen tank.
No, it shouldn't be, because I ground that baby down. Let me do it again.
Which one did you grind down?
I don't know. There's two?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You grind that one, see if it's that one. If not, I'll grind this one.
That's one of the first things I did.
Was that the one?
I don't know. Grounded. There's only two, right?
I believe so.
Okay.
Yep, that must have been the one.
Good,
Because
good.
it says we own everything else. Apart from a couple of connector that's incomplete. And connector badge, whatever that is.
That's probably up outside on the roof. I'll go grab it.
Passenger seat and a small thruster that's incomplete.
Yeah, I did a passenger seat already. For the connect. Here's a connector. Yeah. No, them are tubes. Connector right here. Construction opponent. Oh, geez. You know what? I'm just debating on cutting that connector right off. There is one on the other end, though. I'll go do it. It's smoking too. Construction components, small tubes, and motors. Apparently that is not connected. Should be we get a few more computers. All right, see if we can fix that.
So yeah, it's the small thrusters and them two connectors, and that's the only thing that's red.
Okay, I'm going after these now. So.
But I can't do the thruster because it needs large tubes, and we haven't got any.
Might be some on the ship. If you go to the connector outside the ship, you'll be able to see if there's any.
Okay, I'll go. Just welding this plate. Is there still a hole in the ceiling? Oh yeah. Ship. Where's the ship? Oh, there it is.
Alright, we should own that one connector. I'll go get the other one. It's over here on the side. Oh, this connector isn't attached to nothing. I don't believe. Huh? What the heck?
Okay, let's have a look, see if that is enough. Thrusters on this side.
Alright, ground that one connector down. It's useless to us.
Construction components. Hole. And has done such a good job, I can't find a hole to get through the floor.
There's a hole where I'm standing. Don't know what to fill it with, though.
Oh, there it is. Oh, better check my energy. Just drop in a cryo.
Did you say we needed large tubes? There's 505 of them in a large cargo container too.
What, on the ship?
On this thing, and there's 370 thruster components also.
I could find small tubes, but not large.
Yeah, I'm looking at them. Mind you, I've seen them from the connector outside. I don't know. I'll come back inside and look, but. Right above me.
Oh yeah, seen them.
I think our work's done here. Should be a salvage operation later. How much uranium, though, was in the reactors?
Didn't check.
Oh, 19.1.
Yeah, thrusters repaired.
I'm gonna go over to the ship and get a little bit of juice for this ship. Make sure you don't fill it in too much, Anders, so we can't get back in.
I think there's a hole somewhere. There's a lot of welding in around us.
You know, we could leave
Yeah,
Anders
the
here
floor
for.
is really busted up.
We could leave Anders here for a day or two.
Took a lot of damage too.
Alright, there's 42k I'm gonna put in the reactors over here in this ship.
So that other assailant disappeared. I didn't see him come anywhere. Metal grids.
I think we scared him off.
See, the company's must give us a bonus for this now. Seems that we've got them a nice station.
Nice station, yeah.
One previous owner. A few 100 million kilometers on the clock.
Yeah.
One previous owner. A fixer-upper.
Well, to look at the bright side, we got rid of some pesky pirates.
Well, yeah, they must be pleased with, because this sector should be clearish, unless some more move in.
All these seats are done.
Yeah.
Good, there's 3 of them, right?
Might be 2 now.
Oh, it's 3. There's 2 down, up above over here, and then there's 1 on the right. I was able to sit in them, so they're done.
I mean, I don't know whether we dare leave Anders here for a few days on his own after the last time, you know.
Well, if we bring some ice over, he'll be good.
No. Don't want to be alone.
Well, come on, you can handle it. They got a bigger hole to crawl into this time.
Bigger space.
Honestly. Anyhow, I think we're coming to the conclusion of this episode.
Yes.
And we'll debate if we're going to leave Anders here to defend this great, I guess you could call it catch. that we got? Or shall we take him with us on our journeys back to 1760?
I think we might have to deliver him back, but we never know.
We can always bring him back here, right? We'll just, you know. He's crying. Look at him. Look at him. He's crying.
I mean, he's got to work off the ship that he got destroyed, anyway.
What about you, Panda?
I'm always working.
Okay, okay.
I've got a permanent overdraft with the company. I don't know if they owe me or I owe them for all my good work.
It almost sounds like a Mr. Donkey excuse.
No.
Okay, speaking of Mr. Donkey, we're going to try to get him in one of our episodes.
We will try. We will try.
In the future.
So, from this time till next time, this is FsPandaMushroom.
And this is Captain Doc.
And the duck. And there's...
Bye.
Bye-bye.